I'm Jessie Mulligan with Doormasters from Red Deer, Alberta, and this is my 2025 F-250 built by S&M Diesel. My F-250 went into S&M Diesel for a full build. They completely changed the look and feel of this truck. S&M Diesel installed a 12-inch Pappy's cradle lift kit with custom drive shafts, 5-inch exhaust with a full EGR delete, an SMB cold air intake, and custom tuning with EZ Lynk with 5-stage on-the-fly tuning. The custom red octagon tip gives the exhaust a clean finish out the back. The truck now has the stance, sound, and power that I was after. And to finish it off, S&M Diesel installed their branded Bulletproof kickback mud flaps, which were the final touch for this build.